Hi, my name is Leroy. I'm South Indian. I'm from Kerala. And you know, my family, they follow the traditions of Kerala very religiously. Because when we play poker at home, we don't use poker chips, we use banana chips. Nobody knows how much money is there in the pot. I see your 5 and raise a 10. Great. In Kerala, we have a very popular snack called the vada. You know, it's the circular hota hai, hole hota hai. But I don't know why in Bombay they call it medu vada. Why is the name of the snack a question? Why are you confusing me? I went up to this guy in the canteen the other day and I asked him, "Bhaiya, ek plate vada dena." He's like, "Sir, medu vada." I'm like, "हाँ तो फिर और कौन देगा?" Oh God. I'm finally shooting this man. But I also went to a bad school. The problem was because they did not teach English properly over there. It was an English medium school which used to teach us medium English. So we had to rely on movies which came out at that time to learn English. And those movies, they were made with the aim of improving our vocabulary only. Movies like Dhun the Fog, Dhokha the Fraud, Jal the Trap. I was learning so much through them. Exam में मुझसे question पूछा, why does the visibility in Delhi reduce during winter? I wrote because of Dhun the Fog. That movie got a B grade, but I got an A grade. In fact, I'm talking to my friends also like this only. अरे भाई कल तो विद्यालय तो स्कूल नहीं आया. He's like, हाँ यार मुझे बुखार the fever हो गया था. This friend of mine, his name is Aditya. And Aditya is such a common name that all Adityas are literally 1 in a million. There are at least 7,500 of them, I just counted. So, but he was a very weird guy back in school. Because he was basically that kind of a guy जो अपने ही नाखून से गला स्क्रैच करके बोलता था कि ये हिकी है करके. A very weird guy. He used to think that terabyte and megabyte are basically love bites named after people. They are not units of memory for him. He has grown up, but his habits are still the same, because he has a Nokia phone, but when he replies to emails, he puts his signature as best regards Aditya, और उसके नीचे sent from my iPhone, he types it out. But he is a very cocky guy back in school. Very cocky guy. Because I know you guys must have encountered some instance, right? When the bell used to ring, but the teacher would keep on teaching. जाता ही नहीं था. So he would sit right below the teacher's nose. और ना फिर बार बार पीछे मुड़ के वॉच देख रहा है. The teacher got really annoyed. जैसे आदित्य एक काम करो, पियून को बोल के ना ये घड़ी आगे लगवा लो ताकि तुम्हें पीछे ना मुड़ना पड़े. This guy is like, सर फिर आपको कैसे पता चलेगा जाने का टाइम हो गया है करके. I caught up with him some days ago, and apparently he has made it big as a banker. So I was really interested to know his journey. So I asked him, dude, what got you inspired into banking? He's like, bro, I saw the Wolf of Wall Street. After that, all I wanted to do was banking. I'm like, if after watching the Wolf of Wall Street, all you wanted to do was banking, then there's something wrong with you. I mean, for sure, there were some ups and downs and forward, backward moments, but none of them were in the stock market is all that I'm saying in Wolf of Wall Street, put the sex in Sensex is what I'm saying actually. Great movie, yaar. Wolf of Wall Street is amazing. I just don't know. I mean, mutual fund investments, they tell us to invest in, right? Mutual fund investments are not subject to market risk. They're subject to narcotic risk. Why do you think market crashes keep on happening from time to time? दोपहर में 1:30 बजे रिलायंस में इन्वेस्ट करते हैं अनिल अंबानी वाले. God, idiots, man. His dream recently came true. He got a chance to go to the actual Wall Street in New York. And there out on Wall Street, they have these amazing gold-plated statues of a bull and bear outside on the street. And after reaching there, he did the most Indian thing possible. She's already expected. Exactly, ma'am. He posted a picture of himself on Facebook while grabbing the bull's testicles. Why do we as Indians we lose our shit around landmarks? 2021 है, अभी भी लोग जाके ताजमहल को ये पकड़ रहे हैं. उनका कॉम्प्लीमेंट है. There is another set of people who's holding the Taj Mahal like this also. उनको लगता है ये वाले गिरा देंगे तो उन लोग कैच करेंगे. Why are we losing our shit around landmarks यार? I am pretty sure if we bend and नीचे वो बुल के देखेंगे ना, वो बॉल्स पे पक्का एक हार्ट शेप स्ट्रक्चर के अंदर रमेश लव्स पूजा भी लिखा हुआ रहेगा करके. He moved jobs also recently, Aditya. After banking, he went to a cold drink manufacturing company called Mirinda. ठीक है, I visited him one day at office and he was showing me कि Mirinda बनता कैसे है, bottle में डलता है and how it's packed off etc. और ये मुझे दिखा रहा था and he felt very thirsty. And the water bottle was too far away. तो उसने वहीं में से लाइन में से पी लिया और वापस रख दिया और वो बॉटल पैक होके इट वेंट ऑफ. Fun fact guys, Mirinda is a PepsiCo product, just like Lay's. So the next time you tear that Lay's packet and find that there are less chips inside it, you know who has eaten it. But finally Pepsi got to know about this habit of his and they fired him. And last I heard he was working at Zomato. So matlab, finally it was a match made in heaven. But I was telling you about this bad school, right? It was bad also because of my teachers. Because I had a chemistry teacher, organic chemistry teacher. So he was paid more than the other teachers because uske subject ke naam mein organic aata tha. But my chemistry teacher, he was an alcoholic. And it took us a lot of time to put it together because हम लोगों को कभी पता ही नहीं चल रहा है. Finally ना ये राज सबके सामने आया जब मैंने उनसे एक बार क्वेश्चन पूछा कि सर इस एक्सपेरिमेंट में एसिड कितना डालना है, डाइल्यूट डालना है या कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड डालना है. एंड ही रिप्लाइड लार्ज नीट. Finally the secret was out in the open. But he was a guy who would never compromise on the quality of work. He had literally set the bar very high. We would always wonder कि सर के standards high है या फिर सर खुद. Great guy. The other fact which was bad in the school is my class teacher. For those of you who don't know, class teacher is basically that guy who promotes his own subject above everybody else's. And I had the misfortune because my class teacher was Sanskrit teacher, Shastri sir. Shastri sir, he was the Sanskrit teacher because he was Brahmin. So he had done his masters in casteism. That's what it was. And because he was like a very orthodox Brahmin, he would not even sit on the chair that was provided for the teachers, He used to get his own stool. If you guys have read history textbooks, Brahmins always used to sit on the stool and divide people into castes. So that was the world's first casting couch. He was an orthodox Brahmin, as I said. And orthodox as in he was completely bald and he had that ponytail. So guys, just a thought for you. Have you guys ever done a toss? What are the results of a toss? Heads or tails, right? It's exactly the front and back of a Brahmin's head, right? Right. A great guy. But he also did not know any English. Given a Sanskrit teacher, I wouldn't expect him to. But all of you have masks, so you only will pronounce properly. Dude, tell me no. Challenge. How will you pronounce that? Challenge, right? Yeah, you only. Challenge, right? And he used to pronounce it as chalenge. Chalenge, accepted. There are basically two things for which a class teacher is paid salary. One is to distribute report cards. Now he would do that job well, but the problem was he would announce ranks in Sanskrit. Like Pratham, Dvitiya, Tritiya, Chutiya, like that. He would announce the ranks. Just kidding. No. He would announce the ranks properly, but the problem was he would start taking names of festivals in between. Ankita Pratham, Suresh Dvitiya, Akshay Tritiya, Ganesh Chaturthi, Nag Panchami. Navratri list out kar diya beech mein. God. The second thing that a class teacher has to do is to take attendance. The problem is he would screw up the names of kids in the class here. There was this girl in my class whose name was Chloe. Chloe, Chloe. And he used to call her Chole. Screwed up. Because, at this point of time, I can compare actually myself to Virat Kohli. Looking at the absurdity of it, I'll tell you right now. See, in my childhood, I was taught by an alcoholic and a Shastri. God, really. But I told about these instances of bad teaching in to my parents, and then they switched schools. They moved me to a school called Delhi Public School. Great school, yeah, Delhi Public School. They were very unique because they not only had a sports team, they had a cheerleading team. That cheerleading team had an amazing jingle also. It goes like Alpha, Beta, Gamma, Theta, DPS Jeeta, DPS Jeeta. Some of those guys, they have made it big as lyricists in Bollywood. Their latest work is Pila de Diwane Main Hu Jiski. I'm a bad girl, I like whiskey. When these guys get bored, they go and comment on Suryawansham's YouTube page. नीम का पत्ता कड़वा है, बाप और बेटा जुड़वा है, like that. Everybody is thinking there's now 2 words that now rhyme with kadwa. Great school, yeah, Delhi Public School. The other thing was Delhi Public School had a lot of celebrity kids, but not like A-list celebrity kids, B-list celebrity kids, not like Taimur and all. B-list celebrity kids is like MDH वाले वो दादाजी है ना, उनके पोते का पोता. And that guy was very संस्कारी यार. उसमें उसके संस्कार उसके मसाले की तरह कूट कूट के भरे हुए थे, मतलब उसके बॉडी में. So संस्कारी. Once in science class, the teacher asked him a question. Hey, what's the formula of potential energy? And he replied, Asli energy such such, MGH, MGH. MGH, yeah. The masala is MDH. Energy is MGH. What is this? I'm recording this. Great, yeah. But they had like a very evolved method of teaching all of us, Like there were those essay, those letter writing kind of questions at that point, जिसमें कभी full नहीं मिल सकता था. 10 marks का question है, 8 ही मिलेगा by default. और कोई justification भी नहीं है. मतलब एक बार मेरे को मिला, मैंने पूछा उनसे, सर क्यों काटा है? नहीं बेटा बस कटता है करके. At that point, I was thinking, and then later on in my future, I have realized, why are we complaining that our educational system is not progressive? Because that was them teaching us about income tax. एक बार तो टाइम कम था, तो पेपर में थोड़ा डर्टी हो गया, तो आधा नंबर और काट लिया. क्यों? स्वच्छ भारत सेस. Really horrible. But now education has evolved a lot, especially in recent times, because I recently heard that a prestigious Indian examination asked a question of what is Virat Kohli's daughter's name? They gave 3 options also, Vanshika, Vamika, Virushka. एक बीच में शादी का hashtag है, but किसी को चिंता ही नहीं है उसकी. I remember, but when Anushka Sharma delivered, a lot of newspapers reported this as front page news. And at that time, everybody was sharing the Zakir Khan meme, ला लिख लेता हूँ कहीं UPSC के एग्जाम में ना आ जाए. And UPSC was like, ले bitch, आ गया करके. Oh God. Times of India का मजाक नहीं उड़ाना चाहिए. मेरी वाइफ वहीं पे जॉब करती है, but it's a great newspaper, Times of India, because I think at one point of time when all these questions they'll form part of our history only. अभी बीजेपी जिस रेट से हिस्ट्री कट कर रहा है, वैसे मेरे को लग रहा है सिलेबस कम हो ही जाएगा. तो this all will be part of history, and then we will be able to tell future generations how the history textbooks evolved over a period of time, right? Ancient India, medieval India, modern India, Times of India. That will be the evolution. Times of India is a great newspaper. It's the only newspaper where page 3 goes on for 18 pages. Really don't understand how does that newspaper work. It's a great newspaper. I read it generally when I'm on a call with nature. Generally I read the Economic Times, but problem is economy slow है अभी, तो आ ही नहीं रहा पेपर. मैं पेपर वाले को बोला भैया कुछ होने तो छापेंगे ना हम लोग करके. Economy is slowing down, as I mentioned, and there's no greater proof of it than Patanjali's revenue going down for the first time in 3 years. You know Patanjali? Patanjali, great company. Patanjali started out with the aim of becoming the number one company in the FMCG market. And market में number one बनने के लिए उन्होंने हर product में गाय का number one मिला दिया. But I like reading newspapers. I think they are getting obsolete day by day. But I like them in the paper format. There's this one newspaper that I really admire, which is called Mumbai Mirror. Everybody knows where I'm getting at. But wait till I get to it. Mumbai Mirror is a great newspaper. I read it for this column called Ask the Sexpert. Because Dr. Vatsa is a great guy. 92, he was 92 years old when I started reading it. And you know, he's like the best friend of be it a 19-year-old or a 70-year-old. Because he can answer your questions. मतलब after I read him for 2 years, I could now guess his answers. तो अभी जो होता है ना, अब मैं क्वेश्चन पढ़ता हूँ और फिर ना आंसर ऐसे छुपा देता हूँ. People are asking all sorts of weird questions. There was this one girl who asked, "Hi, I slept with my cousin and I enjoyed it a lot. Could this cause any complications?" To which my reply was, "Nothing sexually, but in your family, maybe." It would have been much better if, when he was alive, he would have started a podcast on Sunday mornings and called it Tan Ki Baat, which would have been way more useful. But one sad thing, guys, in 2020, Dr. Vatsa passed away. He passed away. You know, but the column is still continuing. So he's like Captain America, कि किसी को तो अब ये काम करना ही है करके आगे. But here's the thing. He passed away at the age of 96, which is sort of like a tribute to him. Because his age is the number 69 doing a 69. All right, guys. Thanks. You guys have a lovely...